Hey everybody, Earl here coming to you from MGM Classic Cars .com, Addison, Illinois. Check out this beautiful 1989 Formula 350 T-Tops automatic 5.7, 68,000 original miles, all original body panels, super clean, fully loaded. Tilt cruise, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, yada, 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 yada. The list goes on. Like I call it, all power. Pretty much all original. Take a look inside here. The hood's in good shape. Formula. Couple tiny little flaws in the paint being all original and stuff, but that's it. I get off of it, it's gone. T-tops are in great shape, so is all your weather stripping belts and hoses are all okay. WS6 wheels, factory. All original body panels looking good. Yeah, iconic, late 80s. Yeah, there weren't many formulas, there's more Trans Ams. All your T-top bags are in there. Interior looks really good. Glass all the way around is in good shape. Only thing that I saw was not working is they all have a little mishap. They're not hard to fix, is those pull-down trunks. This is nice. Look how straight it is all the way throughout. Wheels aren't pitted, your tires are in good shape. T-tops are in good shape, and I'll show you those as well. Let me get back over here real quick. Yeah, no paint work. Here's your T-tops, folks. These are fun. Iconic little 80s runners. And this is what's important. This stuff in here, they used to dry out, but this one, it seems like it's been replaced, so they're clean. You can see there's no water in them, which is good. Your interior, real clean all the way throughout. No rust to be found anywhere. Real nice underneath. The car runs real well. I just got done driving it. 68,050 miles on the odometer. Tilt. All factory, nothing modified. Performance suspension. Great little sound. Great sound for it. All your lights and gauges are working correctly. This is a service light that will have taken off on it. And it's got that overdrive transmission, all factory everything. So we got all, both seats are all in good shape all the way throughout. Good, nice specimen. Car is located at our warehouse in Addison, Illinois, 15 minutes southwest of O'Hare Airport. I'll have a bunch of photos on our website, along with our other 250 vehicles that are in our warehouses. All our photos, description, and video pricing you'll find on MGMClassicCars.com. Also, we do offer financing. If you have good credit, up to 180 months with a minimum 10% down, as well as shipping all over the United States, bonded and insured, opened and closed to your front door. You could call me if you have any questions, or text me even. My name is Earl at 773-600-0919. Again, that's 773-600-0919. Like us on Facebook, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get this at someone's house. This is a nice little 89 Formula 350. Nice car, great driver, great value. Have a great day, everybody.